Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So we're in another place once again. So this is my dorm, my actual dorm. This is the door to the outside. I tried to create as much space as I can so I can get some art space to move around and teach you guys chicken noodle soup by Jhope and featuring Becky G. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do this dance step by step. If you guys just want the music section, go ahead and click up there. I'll take you right to it. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as per usual, don't forget that this video is mirrored. And let's get started. Alrighty, starting out this video, we're gonna make it rain. Like the right, it says make it rain and clear it out. Okay, so we're gonna do make it rain and clear it out. Awesome. Okay, so that is just like, it says it 4 times, so you guys can go back as early as you need to. But this, we're gonna make it rain and clear it out. Make it rain and clear it out. Alrighty, so anyways, once you finish that intro into the chorus, we're gonna do chicken noodle soup. Oh wait, first step we're going to take our 2 hands behind our backs, and then we're gonna go chicken noodle. All right, so what we're gonna do is gonna basically open our chest, go bring our arms back, bring it in, arms back, bring it in. So out, in, and then we're gonna go chicken noodle soup. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna step lightly with our right leg first, and bring your arm with it like you're walking, but we're going to just kind of tap in front, tap in front, tap in front. So again, come 1, 2, come right, left, right. Now the next step is very similar. Again, we're going to do it again, open, close, chicken noodle, and then we're going to step, this time with our left first. Step left, step right, step left. Cool? All right, from the top, we go chicken noodle soup and chicken noodle soup. Now back and left, right leg, left. Alrighty. And so once we're done with the left leg, we're going to kick to the left with our right leg. So we're gonna go here and we're going to do chicken 2 times. So we go chicken. From here, we're going to go left, go right, okay? I'm going in slow motion, but while you go left, okay, my leg, left leg, we're going to be shifting our weight to the right side, and we're going to kind of do a chicken movement like so at the same time, okay? So let me just put it all in one motion. We come chicken noodle soup and chicken, okay? Does that make sense? Right. Try it one more time. Come kick and left and right. And now we're going to do it again, but first we're gonna grab like we're grabbing something from the right side, and then we're going to kick in chicken again. Okay, so we just finished left, right. Now grab, kick, chicken flap twice. Now we'll go right and left. Cool? Awesome. Really simple. So let's start from the top, okay? Again, 1, 2, right leg, left leg, right leg. Now 1, 2, left leg, right leg, left leg. Now chicken 2 and 3. Now grab and chicken and 1 and 2 and. Now the next movement, after we come right, left, we're going to like grab something from the top, from the ceiling, and then we're gonna go chicken noodle soup. So what we're doing is we're basically flapping our chicken wings. We're going to the right, come 1, 2, 3, 4. Now turn to the left, okay? Really simple. Again, come 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2, 2, 3. Now go back to the right, 2, 3, 4. Now this is where it's a little bit confusing. Leg work, footwork. You gotta go right, left, right, left. Okay, so basically you're just switching which foot you're on. Come right, left, right, left. From here, he changes his motions. I'm doing the one from his TikTok that I believe was a TikTok that he posted on. But basically he just did 1, 2, 3, and come 1 and 2 and Like it had like a little call sign, okay? But you do what you want because I feel like this challenge is meant to have some of your own spice into it. So I like it, it's fun, okay? Again, let's start from where we just come up. Come, turn right, 2, 3, now turn left, 2, 3, now go back, right, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and, okay? Now, this time, we just finished, right? Now let's do the same thing. Back to the left, 2, 3, move on, go back to the right, now left, again. Now, once you are finished back to the left, we're going to kick up with our left leg first, okay? We're gonna go left, and I'm going to just point to the right and to the left, okay? So then you go point right, left, that's when I step in front, and based on the TikTok he did, we're going to just roll our hands, like so. I'm rolling inwards, I'm going to turn to the back, but then he goes point and up. All right, and that's the end. So again, let me just show it all together. So we let's go up to the left now. Up to the left, now go to the right, and go to the left, and step and turn, point, up. And that is the end of this tutorial. So I will go through the whole entire full tutorial, like just pull it all into one, and then we can do the music section. Okay, full review. Let's start from here. We come 1, 2, right, left, right. Now back, left, right, left. Now kick and left, right, and grab and kick, right, left, and up and to the right, to the left, to the right, and right, left, up, and to the left, to the right, to the left. Now kick and turn, and done. Thank you guys so much for learning this tutorial with me. If you guys decide to cover this, tag me at Felicia.covers on my Instagram. All my other social media sites are in the description box below, so make sure you guys check me out on there, and I'll see you guys in the music section. Bye!